Hey guys, it's Isaac and welcome back to another brand new episode of the Ultimate Lego Room. This Christmas, my family went on vacation over to North Carolina. We were visiting some family, and when we got back, I checked out the Lego Room literally just a few hours ago, and Josh had clearly made some progress. The toilet was ripped out of the bathroom, and all the flooring is now completely done. But we still have work to do this episode, so let's get started. Also guys, for Christmas, I got a new camera mount and light, so let me know if you notice any differences or changes. Let's go. And we're back, guys. The room looks amazing. As you can see, I cleaned this place up so much. There's literally nothing left on the floor. All we gotta do is this wall, paint this, and then we can start adding furniture, tables, and all that stuff. But I have a very, very special guest who's gonna be coming in today. She has not seen the room in person since episode 2, which is back when Josh was not here. We had no walls, we had no floor, no ceiling. And so I just want to see her reaction to this. Let's let you guys meet her. Come on in, Bella.
So much. Whoa. That's nice. And the ceiling adds a lot of more room feel than how it used to be. It was very nice.
My girlfriend Bella, and she's here to inspect the bathroom. I gotta make sure that the bathroom is up to par for both boys and girls, because previously it was a mess. It was disgusting, and I pretty much kept all girls out of there. But now that it's clean, we got a floor, we got a new toilet, we got a shower, everything's so nice. I wanna see that this meets the girl standard and gets that girl seal of approval. So I want you to be tough, okay? I don't want you to it's kind of dirty, but it's okay. I want you to make sure that you'd actually use this bathroom. So let's go take a look.
I think it's good. It looks very white and very much cleaner than it was.
Yeah, we're gonna get a new mirror, but I figured the sink's pretty good. We're gonna paint the walls, and then we're gonna put another shelf right there.
Oh, very nice.
So.
Good job.
Girl seal of approval?
Yep.
Okay. You know what that means. We're back in business, everybody. And that wraps up this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Check out Bella's channel down in the description below. She's an amazing singer. She doesn't have a lot of videos, but if you guys subscribe, maybe she'll post another one. Stay tuned for more updates coming soon, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
Like and subscribe.
Bye.